today I decided to plant some garlic because I want to see how it grows and experience this. And so I went to my local supermarket and I got some organic garlic here, and I broke it down just like this. Broke them, separated them, kept them in their little casings. And so I'm going to plant these in this container. I thought I would do container gardening so I can kind of centralize where I have everything, and as it grows I can repot something else in here. So I decided to put in here some compost. I have some earthworm castings, and it's nice and moist now, and it's ready for the garlic to be put in. I heard about 3 to 4 inches apart, so I'm again just going to go ahead and make sure it's about 2 inches away from the side of the container here. And I'm going to go ahead and make my holes here. I have about 16. Hopefully this will fit all 16 of the ones I have. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I guess it's not, but that's okay because I have more space in a part of my raised garden bed that I want to use as well. So we're going to put some of these in here, and you want to make sure, from what I understand, you want to put the root is the bottom half right there, you see there, and this part should be sticking up. And from what I've learned is they're not really good at trying to reorientate themselves once they're in the ground. So you want to make sure that you have them situated up like that, okay? And this is a deep pot, so they should be good to go as far as growing and everything like that. So I'm gonna finish popping these in all upright for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, and now I'm going to cover them up with soil here. So I'm going to top this really well with about 2 inches of this straw, and it should keep the soil moist. And we're supposed to get some more rain next week, so that'll be good. And then the soil will stay moist, and these should be ready to go in June, in the month of June. So I'm planting them here on New Year's Eve, and so we'll see how that goes. This is my first experience growing garlic, so I'm really excited to see the outcome, and I'm excited to bring you guys along and share that update with you as well. Okay, so perfect. We have a nice layer of straw here for the garlic, and now I'm just going to water this in. And here we're at January 29th of 2022, and here you will see my garlic is coming up very nicely. I just watered it yesterday. We had heavy winds, and as you can see, they're coming up very, very well. I'll go down deep a little bit so you can see them right there coming up through the garlic bulbs that I put in. And it was recommended to put heavy mulch in to keep the moisture in, and that's been amazing. As you can see, another one's coming up here. So I'm very excited to see garlic, have garlic in June. So it'll probably be the end of June because I planted this on December 31st. So we'll see, 6 months out, but I'll keep you guys posted on the harvest time. Take care. Bye-bye.